Today's In the Kitchen is sponsored by Commonwealth Senior Living. We're in the kitchen with Robert Frazier, the resident program director at Cedar Manor, and Eric Payne, the dining services director at Commonwealth Senior Living. They're at Cedar Manor as well. Welcome back, guys. Good to see you.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, you guys were on a couple of weeks ago. You did an amazing job with your food. Today you're doing a little something different. Eric, what are you doing today?
We are going to be making a chicken lettuce wrap. And we're actually going to be incorporating the lettuce from our Babylon micro farm that we grow on community.
Well, tell me more about that. So you grow some food on site, which is great. Not only is it fresh produce that you're growing yourself, but it's a lot of fun to do, right?
Oh, it is. I can tell you honestly, I'm not much a garden farmer kind of guy. I don't have a green thumb. The Babylon gives me that green thumb. It's all controlled through an app on your phone. It lets you know when you need to transplant, when you need to plant, and when you need to harvest your lettuce. So from start to finish, we germinate a seed pack for 2 weeks. After about 2 weeks, it's ready for transplant. And then after transplanting it goes for another 3 to 4 weeks, depending on what you're growing, and it's ready for harvest. So the way that the system's set up, you actually will harvest lettuce every single week. So there's always fresh lettuce on a weekly basis coming out.
Very nice. And a wrap is a great way to enjoy that lettuce and produce. Robert, what does this do for the community there at Commonwealth Senior Living, and especially at Cedar Manor? Because everybody loves to grow. There's something about it. It just feels good.
Absolutely. It gives our residents a chance to be able to actually get hands-on with our chef, with the garden in the dining room, but also we are able to put a Dining Delights cooking show on in front of the residents and bring the food right to them and have fun doing it as well.
How important is mealtime at a place like Commonwealth Senior Living?
So mealtime is very important because as seniors move in, they might not be having the 3 nutritious meals every single day. So we're able to monitor that and also help them keep weight on, because as they do get older with medications and everything, they tend to lose weight. So we want them as healthy as possible.
And the social aspect of it, that's what's really important. It's to stay social, to have fun with your neighbors, to eat something really healthy. Right?
Absolutely, I agree.
Yeah. Okay, so you didn't, I mean, I said hello, these are these guys, and boom, you went right in on it.
Oh, absolutely.
Got to get the flavors growing and sauteing the onions and peppers and chicken, and so.
Eric, talk about the fact that it's a colorful dish, because that's really, eat the rainbow, right?
You eat with your eyes.
You eat with your
it's
eyes.
got to be appealing. If it's something you look at and you don't like the way it looks, you're not going to eat it. So anytime we make something, we want to have it nice and appealing. We want to have a nice garnishment to it, which we'll do in a little bit later of the segment. But we want to make sure that when you see it, you can't resist it. You want to go hands in, you want it.
Let's talk about the menu at Commonwealth Senior Living and how often it changes and why that's so important.
So we change our menu every 6 months. We run a 4-week cycle on our menu. That way they're not eating the same thing every day.
Right.
We try to make sure that there's no overlaps on the menu. So every day of the month, you're getting something different.
There you go. Everybody likes to change up their routine, always eat something different. Always have to have options too,
Absolutely.
right? How important is that?
Well, they can go out to restaurants and eat, so literally having all the different options in-house, they're able to eat what they want. We do have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but we always have an always available menu. So if they don't like something on the menu, if they want a hamburger, hot dog, those things, grilled cheese with tomato, we're able to accommodate.
Do you create to order? I mean, if somebody has special dietary needs, you're aware of that, right?
Yes, anyone has a dietary need, we accommodate that. Anybody that orders off the all-day menu, a little burn.
It's okay.
Anything off the all-day menu, we let them know it takes a little bit of extra time to prep it, because we don't prep it ahead. We like to prep it to order because fresh is best.
Yeah, fresh is best. Okay, so you're doing the lettuce wraps from the garden from yourself. What else is happening now at Commonwealth Senior Living?
Currently this month, like we talked about last month, we are traveling the world. We are in New Orleans Jazz Festival.
Awesome.
So we're excited about that. Plus we're starting to get towards the end of summer, back to school. So, having the grandkids in to see their grandparents before they head back off to school. But a lot of fun stuff going on.
And I know you're thrilled about the change of season, because now we're going to start getting into a little more heartier season, maybe more soups, more chowders, more root vegetables and stuff like that,
Yeah,
right?
they've been asking for that. We actually will be working on the menu next month, early September. So I actually will sit down with my residents. We have a committee that we've started. We will talk to them and ask them what they would like to have on the menu, so their voice is heard. They get to have what they like.
Love the sound of that. Well, listen, they're just getting started on the wraps. We'll wrap up the wraps in the next segment, and we'll talk more about what's happening at Commonwealth Senior Living, so stick around for that. Today's In the Kitchen is sponsored by Commonwealth Senior Living. We're in the kitchen with Robert Frazier, the resident program director at Cedar Manor, and Eric Payne, the dining services director at Commonwealth Senior Living, also at Cedar Manor. In the first segment, you cooked up some chicken for some lettuce wraps. How are we looking right now, Eric?
Looking fantastic. So now we're going to go to the plating of the lettuce wraps, and I'm going to add a little garnish to it for a little flair.
All right, so you go ahead and do a little bit of that, and we'll talk a little bit more. So, Robert, you're a resident program director. What does that mean exactly?
I'm the fun guy.
You're the fun guy.
Parties, bingo, happy hours, outings to the casinos.
Okay,
trips.
let's stop right there and just talk more about happy hour. How important is that at Commonwealth? Because, I mean, it's not just that, like I said, the eating part is social, but the happy hour and having fun with your residents.
So some of our core behaviors that we believe in is we listen, we love, we care, we serve. And with our seniors moving in from from home to senior living, they should still be able to do everything they did at home by just changing their address by moving into Commonwealth Senior Living.
Right.
So happy hour is very important. If they love to have their wine or margaritas, why not have it?
There you have it. And so, Eric, you also mentioned in the first segment that you grew these greens yourself there at Commonwealth. That's really cool.
So the cool thing about the micro farm is it uses 96% less water than traditional farming methods. We use no pesticides, 0% emissions from transmission from delivery, and we use 65% less fertilizer.
Oh, there you go. I love the sound of that. So you're just laying it out right now, and you're gonna add a little bit.
We've got our nice green butterhead lettuce here. We're gonna add a little bit of our chicken, pepper, onion filling.
And the neat thing is with the Babylon, the residents can see it start as a seed and work all the way up until the finished product.
Yeah.
Open up the door, walk in,
great.
literally, and eat it.
I love that. I mean, I just love seeing stuff grown and being eaten at the same time. I mean, after it's grown to a certain point, just like we just showed you the Rocky Hawk melons, you know? It's nothing more special than having fresh produce and the difference that it makes. So today is National Radio Day, and there's a song by the Beatles. Woke up, got out of bed, dragged a comb across my head. A day in the life. And you guys have a day in the life there at Commonwealth, right?
We do. For anyone that is looking for senior living for their loved one, we encourage them to call any of our 11 communities within the Hampton Roads and ask for a day in the life. Speak to the marketing directors at the community, and they can come and spend the day with us from breakfast, lunch, dinner, all the activities, and see what it actually looks like in senior living before they make the move.
And try the food.
Absolutely.
Because that's really important, Eric, and you know firsthand how important food is, especially at somewhere like Commonwealth, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so this is your second time on the show. The first time, what was the response like? Because when you went back, I know your residents there, they saw it and everything. What was that like?
Robert and I became rock stars.
That's
what it was.
Yeah.
Everyone was happy. Everyone
fun.
was asking about it. They wanted to see it. When's it going to air? What already aired? So we're able to pull it up online and show it, and everybody got to watch it. And,
Good.
You know, everyone loved it. So everyone keeps asking when we're coming back. So we had to let them know today.
So tell me that you're making these either today or tomorrow, or very soon there, because people are going to want to try them if they haven't already.
So we've actually done this before. It was a suggestion of the residents. We let them choose.
Yeah.
You know, we gave them an option. You know, sweet and savory, and they wanted something savory. They wanted something different because Dining Delights is usually sweet. It's right after the lunch period. So they just got done eating lunch. They don't want more food. They want those sweets. So we had a few people say, can we do something savory? And then they wanted to incorporate the Babylon. So we thought about it, and lettuce wraps became the dish.
All right, shout out to some of the residents and some of the people over there.
All the residents, but a special shout out to my best friend Sydney. It's his birthday tomorrow, so happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Shout outs to anybody over there. Come on, give it to them.
Staff. I got to give staff shout out. If we didn't have you, the place wouldn't stay afloat.
Absolutely.
I love the staff. Thank you all so much for everything you do every day.
And we love all our residents, so.
Well said. We'll leave it at that, Robert. Eric, great job as always, and thank you for joining us here on HRS.
Thanks for having us.
Once again, this segment is sponsored by Commonwealth Senior Living. They have 11 communities in Hampton Roads and on the Eastern Shore. You can find the community nearest you and connect with the care team by visiting CommonwealthSL.com, or you can call 757-350-8382. Find them on social at Commonwealth SL.